You are eternal awareness. You always were, and you always will be, with no beginning and no ending. You came onto this earth for this adventure of being incarnated into a body in this 3D physical reality. You came here to experience, to learn, to be happy, and to find out what there is to discover here, and to expand your consciousness. And when this body is getting older and is decaying, your inner essence will shine through even more deeply. And when you finally leave your body, when you're dying, you will again be, or still be, this true essence and awareness, which you always were and which you always will be, an eternal being. So enjoy this ride in this 3D reality. Enjoy it fully, because nothing can happen to what you truly are. May all beings on this earth be happy.